Well, hello. My name is David Duchene. I'm a postdoctoral fellow at the Center of Evolutionary Hologenomics at the Globe Institute, UCPH. I see hologenomics as the study of genomic signatures of symbiotic interactions. This includes organisms that rely on the host for survival or reproduction, or where the host is a convenient habitat. And this can involve several types of interactions, like those of beneficial symbionts, but also of pathogens. I started working with hologenomics through an interest in co-evolutionary interactions and how they can impact processes on very long timescales. Sometimes an interaction can be so close between two organisms that it impacts genome evolution and lineages through time as they split. And that's how I got into the topic. Some of my ongoing work involves the confidence that we have on estimates of the branching processes that make up the evolutionary tree of life, which can be heavily reliant on a fairly simplistic view that we have on genomic evolution, how genomes change through time. Another current interest of mine is to examine whether we can predict to any extent short-term directions that evolution might take. Because not only is predicting evolution a fairly interesting and mesmerizing topic, but it can have a substantive impact on how we handle pathogens in the agricultural sciences and medicine. Perhaps two distinguishing features of my research in the center are the use of the tree of life as a structure or a type of graph to examine evolution of organisms across lineages, and also the use of simulations to compare empirical observations with our expectations under simplistic worldviews that we might have of evolution. I often examine data from birds just because their data are very abundant and they're easily relatable because they're everywhere. But my study taxa have also included plants, fish, marsupials, viruses, bacteria, and of course the sometimes all too real simulations. I am technically a marine biologist, so that's how I was trained, close to the ocean. But then very little of my work has actually been on any marine system. So it's always amusing to remember where I started my research path and how it's changed.